all-in-one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Dodge Challenger RT TA in pitch black, with HID headlamps, black satin painted hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 4-piston front brakes, blind spot and rear cross path detection, satin black rear spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, power sunroof, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Dodge performance pages, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, split folding rear seats, trunk mounted subwoofer, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6323.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.